Oil prices falling amid low demand and OPEC Plus supply boos. Oil prices are tumbling, and the global market's feeling the squeeze. On August 29, 2025, Brent and WTI took a hit, driven by weak US demand and an expected OPEC Plus supply surge. Let's unpack what this means for the economy, energy markets, and you. Brent crude for October delivery dropped 50 cents, or 0.73%, to $68.12 a barrel, while the November contract fell 53 cents to $67, and WTI crude wasn't far behind, down 59 cents, or 0.91%, closing at $64.01. Why the slide? The US, the world's biggest oil market, is seeing demand cool as the summer driving season ends. Meanwhile, OPEC Plus is gearing up for a big meeting next week, and word is they're ready to pump more oil to claw back market share. This supply boost could flood the market, and traders are nervous. Add to that India's move to ramp up Russian oil imports in September, despite US pressure, and you've got a perfect storm for lower prices. Analysts are already sounding alarms, predicting Brent could dip to $63 a barrel by the end of 2025. That's a problem for oil-producing nations banking on higher prices, but it could mean cheaper gas for consumers, at least in the short term. Here's the bigger picture. This isn't just about supply and demand. OPEC Plus's move signals a shift in strategy. They're prioritizing market share over price stability, which could spark a price war. For the US, lower oil prices might ease inflation pressures, but they'll hit energy companies hard, especially smaller players. And let's not forget geopolitics. India's defiance of US sanctions pressure shows how complex global trade is getting. Despite the daily drops, Brent gains 0.7% and WTI moves 1.2% over the week. So there's some fight left in the market, but with demand softening and supply rising, we're in for a bumpy ride. If prices keep falling, expect ripple effects. Cheaper fuel, sure, but also strained budgets for oil-reliant economies and potential market volatility. Oil prices are on a knife's edge. Will OPEC Plus's supply surge tank the market, or can demand surprise us? This isn't just about barrels, it's about global power, economic stability, and what you'll pay at the pump. What do you think? Good news for consumers or trouble for the energy sector? Drop your thoughts below, and let's keep watching this unfold.